Hi, I'm Palak Soni. We are a kids furniture brand and our parent company is called Intent Made, where we do bespoke custom furniture. And here at Piccolini, we have been doing kids furniture. So as you can see, the whole idea behind this is to get the kids off their screens, be involved in activities that bring out the natural form. So we have a PlayStation over here that comes with a lot of tools. Everything is made out of natural wood. There's nothing artificial or plastic over here. So here is a kitchen set. As you can see, this is a gender neutral piece and we have everything that is interactive. We have the shelves that open. We have a microwave space and we have shelves to keep the spoon and stuff. And then you'll also be having storage space over here. We have a tap and we have teapots, everything that is made out of natural wood. Nothing over here that you see is made out of plastic or any artificial material. We have the fridge, you have the freezer, you have internal storage. We have ice creams too. Everything is interactive. We do have custom ice creams and a lot of storage inside. And the fridge. Now coming to the storage part, we have a bookshelf storage over here that also works as a toy storage. You can use it for multi-purpose things. It has a lot of space to organize your kids' room in one go. So we have our balloon chairs that are very popular among the category. There are two sizes available. One is the small size, one is the bigger size. Everything is made out of natural teak wood and these comes with height adjustable legs. So you can adjust the height as your kid grow. So you do not have to replace it every year. You can keep adjusting the height for a few years as your kid grows along with the chairs. So here we have the toy storage. So this is a multi-purpose storage shelf. It has a lot of space to keep your toys and you have space to keep your books, as well as you have space to put plenty of toys inside. And when you rotate it, it becomes a blackboard as well for the kids to write and interact with. And it's completely rotatable, so it does not take a lot of space. There's no dead corners around and you can make complete use of the room space. So these are the very famous kids version of Chandigarh chairs that you see. It's made out of completely hand woven rattan. Every single thread of rattan has been hand woven by carpenters and the wood that is used is natural teak wood. So they come in two different patterns. One is with the armrest and one is without the armrest. So here you can see we have multiple pieces for the kids room decoration, as well as we have storage shelves to keep books, toys, clothes and everything. We have it in various sizes. You have one which is the taller unit and then you have one which is the smaller unit and then you have one completely for the toys. So over here we have the sports storage shelf. As you can see, kids have a lot of things to throw around. So you can use this to keep their toys, you can use these to keep their sports equipments, and it also has space to hang their bags around. And this shelf is movable. You can either put it down or you can use it upstairs. So everything that you see around here is completely baby safe. The corners are soft corners and everything is made out of natural wood. So the ergonomics are well suited for kids. So all the concepts around here are specially designed for kids. The furniture are completely made out of natural wood and nothing that is not sustainable. Everything is designed for kids. The corners are rounded and soft to suit their rooms. You can find us on Instagram under the name Shop Piccolini. Please visit. Thank you.